I set myself one goal: make $1,000 using only AI-powered freelancing. No existing clients, no existing reputation, no head start of any kind, just AI tools, free platforms, and a clear system built from scratch. I gave myself 30 days, and I documented everything. The wins, the rejections, the slow days, the unexpected breakthroughs, and the final number at the end of day 30. Today, I am sharing the complete honest story. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why I set the $1,000 target. $1,000 is not an arbitrary number. It is the threshold that most people mentally associate with proof of concept. Below $1,000, it feels like luck or a one-off. Above $1,000, it starts to feel like a real, repeatable income stream. I wanted to know whether AI-powered freelancing could cross that threshold in a single month for a complete beginner starting from zero. No shortcuts, no existing audience to sell to. Just the platforms, the tools, and the system. The service I chose was AI-assisted content writing. Blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, and product descriptions. All delivered using Claude as my primary writing tool with careful human editing and quality control on every deliverable. I chose this service for 3 reasons. High and consistent demand, deliverable entirely using AI, and no specialized credentials required to start immediately. Week 1, setup and first attempts. The first 3 days were setup days. I created profiles on Fiverr and Upwork. I asked Claude to write all my profile copy, my bio, my service descriptions, my gig titles, and my FAQ sections. Claude produced polished professional copy that I reviewed, personalized, and published. I created 2 sample pieces using Claude to demonstrate my service quality. A 1,000-word blog post on AI productivity tools, and a set of 7 social media captions for a fictional e-commerce brand. Both designed in Canva as clean PDFs and uploaded as portfolio pieces. Day 4, I sent my first 20 outreach messages on LinkedIn to small business owners and marketing managers. Claude wrote the outreach messages. I personalized each one with a specific observation about the recipient's business before sending. Day 5, my first Fiverr order arrived. A 500-word product description for a skincare brand. $15. I completed it in 20 minutes using Claude and delivered within 2 hours. First money earned, day 5, $15. By the end of week 1, 3 Fiverr orders completed. Total earned, $47. LinkedIn outreach generated 0 responses. Not the start I had hoped for, but more than 0. Week 2, adjusting the strategy week. 2. I made one significant change based on what the data from week 1 told me. Fiverr was generating small orders, but slowly. LinkedIn outreach was generating nothing. I shifted LinkedIn from cold outreach to content posting. Instead of sending messages, I posted 1 piece of valuable content every day. Short posts about AI writing tips, content strategy insights, and practical advice for small business owners. All written by Claude in under 5 minutes per post. By day 10, 1 LinkedIn post about how AI helps small businesses maintain consistent blog content got 240 views and 3 direct messages from business owners asking about my services. I converted 2 of those 3 into paying clients. First client, a health and wellness coach needing 4 blog posts per month. Agreed rate, $80 per month. Second client, a local accountancy firm needing weekly LinkedIn posts. Agreed rate, $60 per month retainer. 2 retainer clients secured in week 2. Combined monthly value, $140 recurring, plus ongoing Fiverr orders. Week 2 total earned, $112. Running total after 2 weeks, $159. Week 3. The turning point week 3 was where the experiment shifted from slow and uncertain to genuinely exciting. The LinkedIn content strategy was compounding. My daily posts were consistently reaching 200 to 300 people. 3 more client inquiries arrived. I converted 2 of them. Third retainer client, an online fitness coach needing Instagram captions and a weekly email newsletter. Agreed rate, $150 per month. Fourth client, a small e-commerce store needing product descriptions for a new product launch. This was a project rather than a retainer. 50 product descriptions at $2 each. $100 for a single project completed in 3 hours using Claude. Fiverr continued generating small, consistent orders. Week 3 Fiverr total, $68. Week 3 total, $318. Running total after 3 weeks, $477. I was less than halfway to $1,000 with 1 week remaining. The target felt possible but not guaranteed. Week 4, the final push. In week 4, I made one deliberate decision. I raised my Fiverr prices by 30% across all gigs. I had 11 5-star reviews, and my existing prices were attracting buyers who wanted maximum work for minimum money. Raising prices would either reduce volume or increase revenue per order. It increased revenue. Orders continued at the higher price without meaningful drop. I also landed one new client through a referral, a digital marketing agency needing overflow content writing. First project, 800 words on AI tools. Rate, $80. Week 4 total, $504. The final number running total after 30 days, $981. $19 short of $1,000. I am not going to pretend that is $1,000. It is not. But it is $981 generated in 30 days from AI-powered freelancing starting from absolute zero. And the retainer clients I built during that month represent $290 of recurring monthly income that continues without any additional acquisition effort. Month 2, income from the same clients and system, $1,080. The target crossed in the second month as a direct result of the foundation built in month 1. What I learned: 3 lessons that matter more than the final number. Lesson 1, content beats cold outreach every time. LinkedIn posts generated more inquiries in 2 weeks than 20 direct messages generated in 1 week. Give value publicly and buyers come to you. Lesson 2, retainers are everything. Project income is unpredictable. Retainer income is guaranteed. Every client conversation should end with a retainer proposal. Lesson 3, AI does not replace the human relationship. Every client hired me because of how I communicated, my follow-up, my quality, my reliability. Claude handled the writing. I handled the trust. Both were essential. What income target would you set for a 30-day AI freelancing challenge? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a realistic picture of what is possible, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.